Today I'm going to show you how to earn tokens in Leonardo AI, and I want to clear up one very important thing right away. If you've been looking for tasks, mini games, ad watches, or some secret reward system to collect tokens, Leonardo AI does not work like that. So in this video, I'll explain exactly how the credit system works, how you get your daily balance, and what you can do if you need more credits. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll notice that Leonardo AI gives you a daily allocation of credits. In this case, it's 150 credits per day. These credits are what you use to generate AI images and videos on the platform. So instead of actively earning tokens through challenges or watching ads, your account is automatically provided with credits each day. The best part is that you do not need to redeem these credits manually. They are added to your account automatically and they reset on their own every day. That means if you use them today, you'll get a fresh balance again when the daily reset happens. This makes it easy to keep creating without having to constantly claim rewards or complete extra steps. Now, if you're wondering where to check your credits, look at your Leonardo AI dashboard or account area. Your available balance should be visible there, so you can keep track of how many generations you have left. When you create an image or video, the platform will use credits based on the task you're running, so it's a good idea to monitor your usage if you're creating a lot of content. If your goal is to get more than the standard daily credits, Leonardo AI gives you an option to upgrade your account. This is the main way to increase your credit allowance. By upgrading, you can access more credits and work on more generations without waiting for the next daily reset. So if you're a heavy user, a content creator, or someone using Leonardo AI for client work, upgrading can be the fastest way to expand what you can do. To decide whether to upgrade, think about how often you use the platform. If you only need a few generations here and there, the daily credits may be enough. But if you're generating lots of images or videos every day, then a paid plan can save time and give you more flexibility. So to recap, you cannot actively earn tokens in Leonardo AI through tasks, mini games, or ad watches. Instead, Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits automatically every day for creating AI images and videos, and those credits reset without any manual redemption. If you want more than that, you'll need to upgrade your account. If this tutorial helped clear things up, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.